No. You're gonna break it.
Not the point side.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about because everybody's taking. I've asked to see it. They take it from me.
Here, you want to use this quick?
Here, Anna.
It's not a dry erase marker.
It is.
No, it is not.
Dry erase marker.
Well, it's not a Crayola.
Does it have to be Crayola?
Well, they
Yes.
recommend Crayola because of.
Papa. It's made from Crayola. So, they say Crayola.
Come get down. That's not to sit on. You were going to break it already. You haven't even had it 5 minutes.
Yeah, Papa. I mean, yeah, Dad. I had it longer than that. I just didn't know it. No. No.
Kitty, 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 kitty,
No.
kitty, kitty, kitty.
No, honey, you have to have chalk to do it. You gotta cover the whole thing with chalk and then erase, then wipe it down. It's easy to chalk for it. You're welcome. You're gonna break it. Grandma's gonna get upset. See, then you also got the little
Clipboard.
on the inside. Okay,
Let's test it.
let's go find a regular piece of paper.